Sean, who's that?
Bobby.
Look at that little puppy go.
Little Bobby.
Oreo. That be the name, Q be the game. If you excited, let me hear you say yay.
Yay. Little Bobby. Little Bobby.
What's her name? Oreo. When this is how the story goes. On Christmas, we surprise the kids with a
Bobby.
The end. Yeah, that's actually the whole story. Okay. Sean, you wanna say something?
How Bobby.
Nice. Okay, cool, yeah. Alright, and now let's get to the video. If you guys have seen our Christmas Day vlog, you will know what this used to look like. And guess who's responsible?
Who did that to our roller coaster? You! Did you do that?
No.
Yes, you did. We can't blame it on the puppy.
You never do that to my thing! Did you do that?
No.
Who did it? Chase did it?
Yeah.
Because everyone else pointing their finger at you. Look. Say sorry to it. Give it a kiss. It took me and Chase 2 days, bro. Not even regular days, like holidays, man. No, that's not a sword. That's that little upside down guy from last time.
Oreo, first Sean, tug a rope. Who's gonna win? Who? 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 Who?
Go, come on, puppy. You can win. Come on, puppy. Come on, pull Sean. No. Oh, she's beating Sean. She's winning. She's Uh-oh.
Okay, bye.
Go, go. Pull Sean.
Ooh, is that a cart?
We're not done yet, but we're rearranging Chase's room. Look, bro, how you liking it so far?
My TV is working now.
2 years later. But it's not for you. You can't use it. It's only when we have guests. Sorry.
No.
She got that half mustache going on. Look, you guys both have half mustaches. Oh my gosh, who made this mess?
Oh my.
Yo, guess who made the mess?
Sean.
This boy! Dude, you're worse than the puppy! We're going through cleaning up Chase's room, trying to make it look nice and different and fresh and new. And he dumped all these old bags of Lexi's toys out. Hey, where you going, poopy head? Here, you wanna wear a hat? Yeah, I like it. What, you wanna wear a hat?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me. Let me see, Sean. Go! Go, go, go! Alexa, play Funnel Vision.
Walk like Sean by Funnel Vision.
Hey, Daddy, doesn't Sean look Alexa?
Yeah.
Play Sway all day.
It doesn't know that.
I can't find the song Sway All Day.
Oh my God.
Sway all day.
Sean.
Ah!
Hi, my name is Lex. I'm a nerd. I wear glasses.
My name's Sean. Don't get me mad. You want down?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! Whoa. What? What? Tell me. Tell me.
He was trying to hit me with that blanket.
That's mommy's shirt.
Either way.
What? Wow! Oh, you're mean. No. Do it, Sean. What? Yo, isn't that enough water for you?
No.
How much do you need?
Sean, that's my cup. Not mine.
Is that good?
No. Oh no.
Clean it up now. No, dude, what's the point of that? Hey, don't do that. No, no. Sean, can I have a sip?
Yeah.
Can I have a sip? Oh, Disaster averted.
Yeah, pretzel!
Look, we're making pretzels. Roll a pretzel. Lexi's idea was to stuff it with some cheese and pepperonis.
This is our crazy dog. She sleeps upside down.
Am I?
Yeah, we're making pretzels.
Am
Just
I?
slither out your snake.
Chop with the gut.
1, 2, and then twist, and then bring it down like that. Lexi's doing it.
Shiny.
Shut up! Don't smush it. You got it?
Your big head is in the camera.
Guess who made that mess? That was Sean crying. So we know
It wasn't a little angel. Yes, I'm talking about you.
All right, first time making homemade pretzels.
Hey, did you make that mess?
Oh,
You can't waste marshmallows.
oh no.
Yeah, you did that.
Oh. Ew. Ew. Ew.
You want to eat your pretzels?
Yeah.
Okay, but do you want soy sauce for your pretzel? Or do you want duck sauce?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you want that? Good.
Yeah. No.
If you're wondering what kind of pretzels these are, this is not an endorsement, but this is the box. Fleischmann, you owe me a year's supply of pretzels. You're welcome.
Oh my God, you guys gotta come look at this! Dude.
Boy, come here. Come here.
Oh my goodness. It's hot, no touch.
What the heck? Hey, no.
Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Lex, come say!
Pink pretzels!
Big butt has a squeaky engine.
Did it just say that butt has a squeaky engine?
Big butt has a squeaky engine.
Oh my goodness.
Those look amazing.
We got turkey pepperoni and cheese in it. Mike's idea was to make this little pretzel twist right here. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. They're probably succulent.
How many am I?
Actually, I didn't make you one.
We forgot to make Sean one. We only have 9, and there's 6 people in our family. 6 upside down is 9. Oh my God, we don't have enough.
Look at these.
I like that one the most. That one looks good.
Chase made this one. He smushed it all up. Chase, we have yours right here without cheese, bro. It's because he's lactose. And you're a little tolerant, too. Lactose and tolerant. I actually thought it was that until like a few years ago. Realized it was intolerant. What if I'm out of tolerant? How can I be in it? Am I right?
That was not funny. Corny jokes for days. That's all you have.
Corny jokes for Dave? Who's Dave? Yo, Dave, if you're watching these corny jokes for you. That was a shout out, right, for Dave? Hey, guys, everyone say hi to Dave. Corny jokes for Dave. What's up, Dave? Okay.
Hi, Dave.
You gotta see this. Are you dressed for YouTube? You look a little not.
So good.
Doesn't that look good? Lexi, get over here and see the pretzels. Which one was yours?
Lex made me one.
Oh, whichever one is the ugliest, you can have that one. We need a plate. Beck, you missed it, Beck. Beck, look. Beck. Becky. Becky Wecky. Lexo Exo. Coming soon to a merch shop near you. So good? Are you snapping?
Yeah.
Let's see it. What's it look like? OMG, guys, look. I just made a new BFF pretzel dog, man. Oh my God. Is that what I said?
No.
Oh, can I read? Oh, you're welcome wherever you are. I can't see you. Oh, hey, how's it going over there? We're watching a Christmas movie. By the way, it's not Christmas. We know that, but we're in the spirit still. You want one?
Amanda.
Here, John. No one wants duck sauce? No? Okay. We had a fail because we were supposed to have tomato sauce since there's cheese and pepperoni. It'd be like a pretzel pizza, but the tomato sauce is out of stock in our pantry. Oh my God, that's so good.
Ew.
Oh, of course you want to. Put it back. That's hot. Don't touch the pan. Sean, let's go in there. Let's go watch. Are you taking a bite?
Yeah. No.
This is so relaxing, watching a family movie
Yeah.
with my kids and some fresh baked pretzel.
Can I see that duck sauce?
Sure.
Mine.
No, actually, it's mine.
Daddy, you go get me some water.
Some water?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'm Baba.
You want lava?
Yeah.
Hey babe, I hate to do this to you, but I'm like really busy watching a movie with the family, and I know you're just in here cleaning up. The kids wanted some water. Would you be able to get that for them?
No, why can't you get it?
I'm busy watching a movie with the kids. What are you doing?
I have to clean Chase's room.
Look, see, now you made Sean get up here. He was all comfortable eating a pretzel, watching a movie, all because you couldn't get him water. Come on, Sean. Mommy's not doing anything. I'll get you water.
I'm not doing anything. Just waiting around in Chase's room.
No.
Okay.
No, Mommy. Wait, Mommy. Why, Mommy?
Everything that's happening today is already.
You made Mommy cry. Give her a hug. Tell Mommy we're just kidding.
Thank you, Sean.
Okay, let's go get water now.
No.
We're just kidding. It's because her parents are coming here tomorrow and she needs to get the room ready. You know, parental sacrifices. I don't treat Mommy like that for real. Playing harder and faster. I'm gonna get you water, sis. I was trying to get your mom to get you some water since she's not doing anything. But she's all like, oh, I gotta clean my nails.
More duck sauce.
I'm Daba.
Are you on Daba?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
There.
Okay, let go. You got it in your thumb. Lick your thumb. You don't know what that means, huh? Nope, it doesn't mean jump. It means you look at your thumb. Now put your tongue on your thumb.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you did it. Good job, you put your fist on the wall. I like it. Yeah, all right. Hey, I hate to do this to you and all, but can you maybe get the kids some water? I'm so busy right now. Oh, you're just gonna sit there and do nothing. You think you're so cool because you have a heart on your nose? Oh, Sean, I wouldn't talk to her. She's too good for you because she has a heart on her nose.
No. No.
Yeah, that's why you almost got hit by a Christmas light.
No.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Hey! No.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew.
You pew-pewed me. No, that's my fault. Hey, give me that. Hey. I think it's time for you to go to bed. You want to know what this boy just did?
There.
You broke an ornament?
Yeah.
How? Why? I'm a little busy, okay? Trying to watch this movie, so it'd be nice if, you can vacuum this up a little faster. That took you a long time to plug that in right now. Like, I can't even believe. Whoa! What kind of savage are you? Who vacuums up glass? I walked over and Sean was legit playing in a pool of glass. You can't play that, okay?
Alright.
It's sharp. Go sit next to Chase. Oh my goodness. Yo, Sean equals like 4 kids or 5 kids.
I know. Knew that from the day he was born.
No, he was actually... Something actually happened to him. How many kids equals Sean?
About 30.
30? Wow. Wow, look at all 30 Seans right there. Mommy's mad. And guess at who? That kid. Sean, you spilled water. Oh my goodness. It's legit dripping. Oh. Well, that's kind of nasty. Why did you do that? Hey, actually, it's 11:45. You should be going to bed, bro. Hey, go to bed.
And you go to bed too.
Oh, what? Oh, it's just sleeping. What do you want? Leave me alone. No. Bye-bye.
Hey,
Yeah.
don't steal my camera.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Hey! Hey! Alright, you're going to bed.
Shaunarelli.
Yep, you're going to bed.
Mop the flow, Shaunarelli.
Ow! See? You're not listening. You're going sleepy. Just like Chase.
Ew, my eyes. My eyes hurt.
What?
Ew.
Am I ugly?
Yeah. Wait. Your face, it makes me scream like this.
Oh!
Just like that. And also like this.
I was just playing with you.
I can see you in the camera. Stop it. Enough. Hey.
Everybody fell asleep watching the movie. It's just me and the dog. We chilling, right? Okay, well, it's just me. Mommy Rella, you still good up there? She fell asleep too. I'm gonna see you guys later. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'll show you Chase's room when it's all done. Got like something stuck in my throat. That just came out of my throat. Oh no! Look! Run away!